News first tonight. Some breaking news. Judge Maria Senzon has granted the dismissal of charges against accused murderer Alan Agababa a few weeks after she dismissed a hung jury. This means Agababa will now be a free man. But it may not be the end of the charges against him, as the judge dismissed the case without prejudice. A few weeks after a deadlocked jury was unable to decide on a verdict for Alan Agababa, Judge Maria Senzon dismissed the case against him without prejudice. Without prejudice means that the Attorney General's office can file charges against him at a later time. However, Agababa's legal counsel, Attorney Curtis Vandeveld, says the motion for dismissal was made at the request of the AG's office.
I think that the government is sincere about wanting to fulfill its duty to the public of investigating the case more thoroughly before they determine to bring additional charges.
Agababa was facing murder charges in the 2013 death of his mother, Shelley Bernstein, whose death was ruled a homicide. Agababa discovered his mother's body on her bed and reported it to police. But police were highly suspicious of the circumstances surrounding the crime. And after learning that Agababa tried to claim his mother's death benefits almost immediately after her death, evidence pointed to him as a suspect. Agababa was tried twice, once in 2015 and again this year, and both trials resulted in a hung jury. Now that the case is dismissed, the AG's office will have to start again from scratch.
They say that the case is now returned to the status of being under investigation.
With the dismissal, Judge Senzon ordered the return of Agababa's property to him, such as his passport and other personal belongings. She also indicated that expungement of the case is a possibility.
But what was his reaction to the news?
He is happy to be a free man, no longer under the charges against him, and I think he's, at this point, a little overwhelmed because he has been confined for the last 4 years.
In a release, the AG's office stated that a post-trial review of both trials has led to the decisions not to proceed with a third trial at this time.